We all love the calming presence of greenery, whether we are at home, at work, or outdoors. But let's face it, dealing with soil, pesky gnats, limited space, and the fear of being called plant killer keeps us away from enjoying these plants indoors. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let me give you a no-fail way of growing indoor plants beautifully without the mess or the stress. So what if I told you there is a way to grow many plants indoors without the mess of the soil or the gnats or without worrying about the space? The answer lies in growing the plants in water. That's right, there are many beautiful indoor plants that can grow in water alone. There is no soil to deal with, there are no gnats to deal with, and they can grow in very limited space. And on top of that, it is fascinating to watch their roots grow in clear containers. So let me share my 4 favorite plants that grow beautifully indoors in water. The first recommendation is spider plant. Known for its vibrant green leaves and baby plantlets, spider plants are fun to propagate and thrive in water with minimal effort. These plants have these plantlets hanging from the side. You can cut any plantlet, put it in water, and just watch it grow. The second recommendation is Dracaena. This is one of the most popular plants for growing in water. It's elegant and easy to grow. It looks like a small tree. Again, you just take a cutting from a growing plant and put it in water. You can even put multiple cuttings. It will grow slowly and it will look beautiful forever. The third option is Pothos. A beginner favorite, Pothos grows quickly and looks beautiful with its trailing vines. Now, for growing it in water, maybe you want to cut small stems like 6 inches in length and put multiple of them in containers. The last but not the least recommendation is Arrowhead plant. This plant is as resilient as it is stunning, and its lush green leaves bring a fresh look to any space. And I have videos for all the 4 plants. I have put the links in the description. You can check them out. Each of these plants not only thrives in water, it is incredibly forgiving for beginners. So that's it. Growing plants in water is simple, clean, and easy way to bring greenery at home without any mess or stress. Whether you start from a spider plant or pothos, it will be fun for you to watch it grow, and it will be really rewarding to have all that greenery without the mess indoors. So I hope this short video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.